What's going on, family? Welcome back to the Wholesome Financials YouTube channel. My name is Austin, and today we're talking about how to remove hard inquiries in less than 24 hours for free. Now, look, this is real game I'm giving you right now, right? This is something that we actually help. When I say me, I'm referring to my wife and I. It's something we actually help clients with behind the scenes because a lot of entrepreneurs come to us wanting business funding, wanting capital, wanting access to money to scale their business, but their credit profile is messy, right? They have too many hard inquiries or they're overexposed. A lot of recent applications, and so people don't even realize how much this stuff matters. So today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to simplify the process. It's going to be real simple. And real quick, if you don't know who me and my wife are, we run Wholesome Financials' channel in our company. We help entrepreneurs and business owners get access to funding so that they can grow and scale their business. Something that we genuinely love doing, and we're really passionate about the space. And so, anyway, let's jump into it. I don't want to waste your time. Let's get right to the game. I'm going to make myself a little smaller. There we go. Cool. That way I'm not distracting because you know what I look like. So this is me and my wife right here. And honestly, this business has been a blessing over the last couple of years. We had the opportunity to help business owners all across the country access to funding and really understand how the lending world works, how banks think, how lenders evaluate risk, how to structure profile correctly. And so our goal is to help people, give them real information so they can actually help them move forward financially. That's the goal here. So let's jump into it. The key rule before you start. Now, this is where this right here is probably the most important, or one of the most important slides in this whole presentation. And so not every inquiry should be removed. If you have an inquiry connected to an open account or an approved account, do not go disputing that inquiry just recklessly. Okay, like that can trigger fraud alerts. It just can create problems, right? Now, if you have a open account, if you have let's say a percent business credit card, right? Not talking about Capital One, because they report to all bureaus. But if you have a business credit card that doesn't report your personal credit, you can dispute this. This works the same way. You can get that inquiry removed. And so, so be clear, you just don't want to do it on open accounts or accounts you've been approved for, right? Some people, they get their account shut down because they don't know what they're doing. And so only inquiries we're talking about removing are inquiries that did not result in approval, right? And so if you apply somewhere and you got denied, that's fair game. But if it's attached to an active relationship with the bank, please leave it alone. Okay, leave it alone. So let's jump in exactly how to do this. First and foremost, no surprise here, you're going to need a copy of your credit report from all three credit bureaus. Use a credit monitoring system. If you don't have one, I don't know what you're doing. I highly recommend getting a credit monitoring system. I make all my clients sign up for one. Different banks pull from different bureaus, different lenders look at different things. You need to see your visibility on all three. There are plenty of credit monitoring systems. Identity IQ, Smart Credit, My Score IQ, so on and so forth. Just pick whichever one you like. You just need to see all your reports clearly, okay? And I'll leave a link to the description of the one that we recommend people sign up for, okay? Now, once you have your reports, you need to go bureau by bureau, line by line, and you need to make 3 separate lists, each for one of the bureaus. And you need to include inquiries that did not result in approvals or that are not connected to an open account that's reporting on your personal credit, right? And so for each inquiry, you just need to write down the creditor, name, and the date. That's it. Very simple, very straightforward, right? Now, here's where the actual strategy comes into play. Surprise, you need to call the credit bureaus. This is a part where I know a lot of people, they get nervous, they don't really like it, they're worried about saying the wrong thing. You don't, this is not that scary. You don't have to worry that much, right? You just, when you call, you're going to ask for the fraud department. You're going to stay calm. You're not going to over talk. You're just going to say, hey, I reviewed my credit report. I found some inquiries that are mine or some inconsistencies. Can you help me remove them? That's it. Let them do most of the talking. You're just going to read off the inquiry name and date, and then just say, hey, I don't recognize this. Now, you just need to make sure you're being confident, right? If you sound nervous or all over the place, you're just going to ask more questions. You're going to trip yourself up. And so that's important. Call credit bureau or creditor name, the date, and say, hey, I don't recognize this inquiry. Can you remove it? That's it. Now, if you don't have the numbers to each of these bureaus, here it is on the screen. Go ahead and pause and write these down. I recommend calling during normal business hours. You have a better chance of getting an actual representative on the phone. Sometimes it works immediately, sometimes it doesn't. And then you have to go into the actual part of the strategy, which this doesn't seem like rocket science, but it's a thing. You might need to try the HUCA method, which stands for HUCA stands for hang up and call again, right? Because not every representative is going to help you. One rep might say, they might tell you no. Another rep might remove everything in 5 minutes. That's just how life works sometimes. And this applies to funding too. Sometimes a bank will say no, another bank will approve you 25K, one lender declines you, another one approves your profile. It's just about being persistent. A lot of people quit too early. This method really works. If you have somebody they're not working with you, they're being difficult, they're asking too many questions, hang up and call again, and do it as many times as it takes until the inquiry gets removed. I've done it 3 or 4 times. Call another day, right? You're not going to get the same representative twice. So it's why this method is really, really valuable, because some will work with you and some won't. Okay. Now, let's say you get this removed, right? Removing an inquiry is not going to magically boost your credit score by 100 points overnight. But every inquiry removed could potentially give you a few points back. More importantly, it'll clean your profile up, because lenders, they're not just looking at your score, they're looking at your behavior. And so you're lowering your risk or your exposure, right? You don't look desperate to creditors, and you're not going to look nervous to lenders or make lenders nervous. So this is why it's really, really good to do this, right? And on top of that, long term, right, a clean profile helps you get approved for better loans, credit cards, credit limits, business funding opportunities. So like, it helps you position yourself correctly and be able to leverage your personal credit profile when you're not overexposed. You don't have a bunch of inquiries on there, right? So look, if you're watching this and you want to build a stronger funding profile, if you want to learn how to structure your credit correctly, you want to position yourself to access business funding strategically, me and my wife would love to help. This is what we do every single day. And you can go ahead and reach out to us, book a call with us. And if you meet our criteria, we'll sit down with you. We'll map out a funding strategy just specifically for your situation, your goals, and we'll work to see if we can help you get the funding you need to grow and scale your business. And so appreciate you guys watching. Love you guys. If you get anything out of this video, like, comment, and hit the notification button so you don't miss more game in this topic, or send it to somebody you know, or leave a comment in the description below if you have any questions, if you tried this method or you need some help. We'd love to help. Outside that, we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.